Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Tucker's Cove, part of the Babcock Ranch community. This is 15118 Jadestone. It's the Somerville floor plan by Lennar, part of the Manor line of homes. And the Somerville is going to give you 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 bath, a 3-car garage, and a little over 2,400 square foot. This owner's made many upgrades to the home, which we'll point out as we go through, with the first being additional landscaping that was added to the front of the home. They've also added a screened-in entry area. Now, as we come inside the Somerville, directly to the left is going to be the guest bedroom. So this is guest bedroom number 1. The owner has painted in here. And then right off the guest bedroom is the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode, the combination tub and shower. And you'll notice the matching paint scheme as we go throughout the home. Right off the guest bath is the den. It's a true den, no closet. So again, they've painted, added the chair rail and the picture framing that you see there on the walls. Now, coming across the den, we have the indoor laundry area here with a stackable LG unit, washer and dryer. You have the utility sink, and then in the garage, they've epoxied the floor and added those 2 lights that you see on the wall there. Now, coming back inside the home, to the right, we're gonna find the second guest bedroom. Now, the nice part about this guest bedroom is it does have the ensuite bath. So this bedroom gets its own bathroom, and now you have a full shower, and they've added the shower glass door. You have the commode and the singular sink as well. Now, this leads us into the great room and kitchen area. So this area here is really nice and open, perfect for entertaining. First off, we'll look at the kitchen. You have that huge island, the white countertops that are quartz, the white cabinets, the stainless appliance package. Now, this home is equipped with natural gas. However, this owner has changed the cooktop from a natural gas cooktop to an electric cooktop, although that can be converted back if you just buy a gas range. This here is your dining space, and then this overlooks your great room area. So really nice size room. The owner's added these slats in the tray ceiling here as well. And then just past the great room, we come into your owner's suite. So really nice sized room here. You have the crown molding in the tray ceiling and just below. Sliders leading out to your pool area. And then we come into the owner's bath. So really, really big bath here. You have dual sinks, your private water closet. You have 2 huge walk-in style closets. There's your other sink, and then you have this huge shower right there. Now, last but not least on this home is the exterior living. So a few different things. They've added a outdoor kitchen, and out here in the pool area, they've added the rails to the actual pool, and you have a beautiful view of the lake on this home. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this property, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.